Hello dear participants, welcome to the third Train the Trainers course, Multipurpose Irradiation Center as a component of Center of Nuclear Science and Technologies. My name is Oleg Rybukhin. I am an Associate Professor of Experimental Physics Department and Lead Analyst of Radiation Sterilization Center. My colleagues are Vladimir Ivanov, the head of Institute of Physics and Technology and participant of previous training courses in 2021. Hisham, he is a researcher of Experimental Physics Department. We will be sharing my knowledge and experience with you throughout the training courses.
Our course is organized by the Institute of Physics and Technology of Ural Federal University under the support of Rosatom Technical Academy. Ural Federal University is one of the leading universities in Russia. More than 4,500 of international students from the different parts of the world study here on bachelor, master and PhD program. As a part of university, Institute of Physics and Technology train qualified staff for nuclear industry, including companies and plants of Rosatom Corporation. Educational paradigm brings together fundamental education and the practical application of knowledge. For this purpose, we have well-equipped laboratories as nuclear physics laboratory, detectors of radiation, dosimetry and other. Also two accelerated facilities, LINAC and cyclotron, for our industrial and educational activities. Educational paradigm brings together a fundamental educational and practical application of knowledge. For this purpose, we have a well-equipped laboratory as a nuclear physics laboratory, detectors of radiation, dosimetry and other. Also two accelerated facilities, LINAC and cyclotron, for our industrial and educational activities.
Our training courses is organized on the base of Radiation Sterilization Center and Laboratory of Dosimetry of Experimental Physics Department, and consists of 6 modules, including basics of dosimetry, radiation sterilization validation, and sterilization process control. So here you can see equipment for dosimetry measurements in Radiation Sterilization Center. One of them is spectrophotometer with film dosimeters. It's Russian-produced dosimeters, traceable to national standard, and the second one is RISO colorimeters that are traceable for NPL laboratory. So now we are staying in the accelerator bunker, and here you can see accelerator, LINAC accelerator with power supply, with cooling, with pumps and with ventilation system. Electrons goes from the source, from the top of the accelerating column, and accelerates by electric field and goes to scanning magnet. And down we have a bunker where different kind of products are processed by E-beam accelerator. So such as radiation sterilization, radiation modification and radiation decontamination. Now we are staying in the dosimetry laboratory, and here you can see the set of installations for flux and those measurements emitted from ionizing radiation emitted by natural alpha, beta and gamma sources. Here is the place where students get knowledge on working with modern dosimetric equipment, learn parameters and calculate uncertainties. So now we are in the storage room where you can see unirradiated products, and here these products goes through the conveyor system to the bunker for irradiation. The velocities of conveyor is 0.6 to 4 meters per minute.
Hello, my name is Hisham. I am a researcher in physics department at Ural Federal University. In 2021, I took part in the second Train the Trainers course, Multipurpose Irradiation Center, as a component of Center of Nuclear Science and Technology. This training was quite useful for me and allowed me to extend my knowledge in the field of dosimetry measurement with modern tools and implementation of ionizing radiation for processing of medical and other products. During a training course, I have gotten an experience of validation procedure performing with electron beam parameters and dose map measuring calibration curve of dosimetry system preparation. Have been acquainted with routine sterilization procedure realizing I found it valuable to work with modern dosimetry tools and accelerator equipment that directly used in the production process. I wish you a fruitful training despite it will be gone online.